Hello, YouTube viewers and my subscribers. This is actually just going to be a review. And I don't do reviews if I don't think they're good. And if they're not good, I still do them. This is and Rain-X is a name brand. So, this little bottle is old. It's interior glass anti-fog. Let's say what it says. Prevents fogging interior glass mirrors. Stuff like that, right? And you see on the picture, treated, non-treated. I got up this morning to come to work because I don't have to work. I'm just getting I'm trying to make sure we stay ahead. And that knife is sharp. Took a grinder to it. On the grinding wheel. Bench grinder. Yeah. It has focus. It has some dings in it. But it cut my damn knuckle almost clean off. Right there. So I treated it. I put a good amount on a paper towel. After I did that, you don't want to wipe it dry. You just let it dry naturally because it will dry naturally. I got up this morning. Everyone else's windows are fogged. I'll show you mine, but the problem is mine. I drove my Jeep, not technically mine, but put enough damn money into it. Should. Yeah, there's the Jeep over there. I just bought $360 and some odd cents of shocks for it, hydro skyjackers, and CV axles. You can't really tell, I don't think, but this is all, yeah, right there. That's all just frosted. And usually my inside window is frosted and everything. And it kind of sucks in the morning. And it was completely fine how it is right there. It literally has no problem. I mean, it was clear. I didn't even have to touch my window. And that that girl's coming along. It needs a new ignition switch, a whole bunch of stuff. But, hell, it's all fun and games. It's actually a pretty good go-kart. I put a 212 on a little, what is it called? Trailmaster Mini. That only has like a 5, and we stuck a 6.5. It has a 5.5 horsepower. Nothing does move now. Got this running. It does run. You see all my tools. I still need to clean up my knuckle. I got everything done on that. No gas leaking. So everything works on this baby. I stayed till like 5 o'clock last night. I know it's not late. And this one right here is giving us problems. Don't know what it is, but service one, something. I need to jump on that and get that going. So, yeah, that's just my work area. There's my work area now. Have a whole bunch of pictures on there. That one's for my mama. She loves wolves. But that's pretty much it for this. But can you please like, subscribe, and comment? Thank you, and God bless. Hit the notification bell too.